Hi, good morning, everyone. So it's a news week, and today is our first show. So welcome, everyone. Along with me, I have Priyanka and Kora. Hi, Priyanka. Hi, Kora.
Very good morning to you, Reena.
Yeah. So let's have a look at the market in brief, how the newses look. So there is an indication that we might have a flat opening or a red opening indicated by the SGX trends, and the US markets also were trading a little bit lower after their solid job report came in. So let's see how it goes there. Asian markets are like being a little cautious. So like after the US, they'll be watching for the US inflation reading. So let's see how it goes there. Then oil, as usual, there's a hike in the price, crude prices by Saudi Arab. Then one good report that came in last week was approximately 400,000 jobs were added in May, and the unemployment rate in US is now steady at 3.6. So, Cora, your views on this bit?
This is basically any good news like this is bad for markets. The thinking there is there won't be support from Fed. So they will hike the interest rates or they may not support physically and monetarily. So uh, the market takes it in a negative sense. Negative sense.
Okay.
Report is bad for markets, whereas bad report is good for markets.
Well, that's quite an interesting bit to know. Then the center has approved your sugar export applications for 62 industries. So let's see how it like helps our sugar stocks today. Then the cash markets, the foreign investors have sold for 3,770 crores, whereas domestic buyers have bought in 2,360 crores. So let's
This
see how it.
report we can show in NSDL. Okay,
Yes, yes, yes.
quarterly report. I will do that later, not now.
Okay, fine. So, and then there is like one where I would like to hear from Cora is that that daily feel that there is a recession that is looming at large, but there is a bit of information here that U.S. recession is very much avoidable if Fed can thread the needle. Your views on that, Cora?
Actually, there are two camps. One is whether Fed can avoid and do a soft landing, and that is avoiding the recession. And there is another view which is Fed cannot do anything and do a hard landing. I'm actually in the middle camp. I will tell you the reasons later. It may not be soft landing, but it may not be hard landing either. So I don't know whoever is this economist. I would probably agree with him about 80% of his views.
Okay. Thank you, Cora. I guess
Still,
so.
I have to see how he's arriving at this. Maybe like little detailed report.
Okay, maybe we'll talk about it like on our other sessions that we have.
Yeah.
Yeah. So over to you, Priyanka, dear.
Thank you, Reena. So it's 9:13 and our pre-market is indicating that we'll open in a 50
Not a
point.
flat open, 50 points down on Nifty and 120 points on Bank Nifty.
Yes, Cora.
Our short Bank Nifty call spread should come small to the money. And actually, they might fade and take it to positive Nifty at some point of time. So, if we remove that 16,800 call at open, we can book those profits.
Okay.
And put spread, call spread. Also, we can remove. Let's see how much. I think we will get flat because we shorted a little early. The 5,000 CE, we shorted at 81 and it closed at 128. That means we were early by 15 minutes or so. If we had shorted it at close at 330, we would have got that price 128 instead of 81.
So the markets have opened, Cora.
Yeah, so 16,800 you can book.
Yes, done.
And then just check the 37.5 we bought 2, instead of that just convert it to 1. So square of 1 because of margin pressure or whatever. Now
Yes.
the margin.
Still 28,000.
Yeah, so we are okay. And we have a Nifty put spread. She's at 16.4 and 16,000. I'm not worried because 16,400 is about almost 160 points away. And we shorted that a little early on Friday evening. So that's why it is showing 47. I think it will cool off if Nifty tries to catch up with US markets. Where are the US markets open on Sunday evening?
Indices future or just global indices?
Indices futures. Global indices won't be shown. So S&P 500 is basically rallying about 20 points. Then yeah, so maybe Nifty also should catch up or try to catch up during the day.
Yes, Cora.
Then go back there. Yeah. I just want to check our ETFs. Is there any? Yeah, Nifty almost filled the gap. In fact, Bank Nifty filled and reversed quite a bit.
Wow.
There's not much dip buying opportunity. And our stocks. Upper industries of 5%, 4%.
Yes.
The second one.
Yes, yes.
And other stocks are a bit flat.
Yes.
Not doing anything, like some up, some down, but overall, Upper industries is doing good. And from our entry point, what are the big stocks? Upper is up 13%.
Aztec is up 5%. Signity 5%. Mastop ETF 2%.
That is S&P 50 ETF.
Yeah. ADF
Stocks which are down?
will be Greenply.
Greenply, Centrum, Kotak Alpha is still at 15%. Sudarshan Chemicals, it came positive and then again it went back to negative. So just check in the back end anything to margin.
Yeah, we can go there.
Yeah, those pharma ETFs have come.
You want me to send a request?
Yeah, you can send it because pharma, we bought that as a, I think the request would have come.
Okay. There is no pop-up. So I
And
got,
then ICICI Lowell, how much we have?
yeah.
ICICI
We have
Lowell, yeah, but what is the worth of them? I don't want to pledge unless otherwise it's at least 2,000. What is the price?
Yeah, I'll check it here. It's 134. We have 15.
15 into 134 is close to 2,000. Yeah, pledge that.
Okay. I've sent a request.
I don't want to pledge any of the stocks because we might have to get out. Whereas ETFs, we don't get out, so we can pledge them. Right. Just Reena, if you can share the screen.
Over to you, Reena.
Thanks, Priyanka. Yeah, go ahead.
Go to NSDL FPI stuff.
Yeah, so yes,
Tell you,
we
no,
have
you
this
can't go
report.
directly here. You can't go directly here. Go to Google. I mean, I'm telling you how to come here, right? The viewers. Just open a Google.
Okay. Sorry, in my between my this net became a little poor, so I was not able to hear.
Search CSDL, sorry, NSDL, FPI, data, something like that. Go to the first tab, which is FPI investments. And sectoral wise data. The sixth tab.
Right. This is the one, right?
Yeah, this is the latest one, May 31st. Generally, this report comes after 2-3 working days because they needs to be settled and all. I think it has come on Friday. So this is the latest report. And real time in the sense it was released on Friday and we are reading it on Monday. So the net investments for last fortnight, it will be on the far right.
Yes.
So there's
Yes.
first one, minus 188.
Yes.
And the second item they bought, third item they bought. Where did they buy most? Move your cursor.
Yes. So the most amount that, yeah, this one, like 3,046,
What is that?
which belongs to the service sector.
We
Services.
only know the sectors. Now, what the way we can do is go to BSC listed securities. This is again, if you type on Google, you will get to this tab. So there, select segment as equity. Yeah, companies listed in BSC.
Yeah, one moment.
BSC listed companies, CSVs.
Yeah, just a moment. Actually, so sorry.
You
My
want
net
me to
apparently has
keep
become very poor. Priyanka, do you mind showing this bit? Like
Yeah.
my net has actually become very poor. It's
Huh,
running
sure,
very slow.
I'll
Please
do
stop
that.
sharing.
Yes. Yes, Cora, you're set.
Segment is equity, status is active, and you can select industry. This is the entire file. So if services or textiles or what is the second item?
Reena, can you just tell what was the second item in our thing?
Okay, the services you can see power, reality, and services.
Got it.
And hit this.
No record found.
Okay, a segment you turn off. And the status also you turn off. Services, right?
Yeah. When I type, it's not coming. And there is no services actually.
Textiles, there was a textiles.
Okay. Power and after power, right?
Yeah.
So I went to P. No, it's not there, Cora, actually.
Okay, so download everything. select equity and put status as active and now say submit. Now what is it coming? This is wait. Now this one you download the CSV file somewhere. The link will be.
Yeah, I've downloaded it. Okay.
Yeah. So now come to maximize it. Yeah. So apply a filter on industry. Industry, the sixth item.
Yeah, here what do you want me to?
So sector, you have to apply a filter.
I don't know how to apply filter in my Mac actually.
See, this.
I figured it out the other day and I forgot again.
Equity, active, submit.
In the
Where is it?
top right only, Korak, top right. After the listed companies. List of securities,
1 minute, 1 minute.
right side you pan. It's right there.
Yeah, this one, right? You can see my full screen, right?
Yes.
Filter, sector, is services. So these are all the stocks which they would have bought, the FIS. So if you are following them, you might look into this nice list. And obviously, that particular investment of 3,400 crores cannot be put in the other group of stocks. So most likely it would have been in A group. So these are the list of the stocks which FIS are buying. And you can actually go and, I mean, if you really want to pinpoint a stock, you have to do this one by one. So SpiceJet, right? SpiceJet delivery percentage. Yeah, some trend line screener. So here you have it for the last 15 days, right?
Mm.
Oh my God, this is horrible. Okay, so here not much delivery. So I don't I would suspect not this stock, maybe some other stock. So if you do individually like this, you might get a hint of which stocks are buying, so are bought by FIS. So, looks like there is a little bit of delivery spike here.
Mm.
Actually, the delivery percentage is 40%. Maybe they are buying stock. I mean, that's just a guesswork. Then, yeah, if you want to follow those FIIs or FPIs, the stocks which they are buying, you can gauge them like this. Because NSE consolidated FPI and DIA data comes only after a quarter.
Okay.
So Yeah, and what are the other sectors which they bought? NSDL, FPI, right?
Yes.
Capital goods, chemicals.
Okay, capital goods is again you can put here. Capital goods, industry name or sector?
It is right.
Sector.
First one.
Yeah.
Second. An industry name.
This is our capital goods segment. ABB, BHEL,
Hmm.
ISAB and all. And probably pinpoint to A group. I don't think they will trade XT and trade to trade segment and all. So these are the stocks which they are buying.
What comes under Group A, Cora? Like,
UK classification is read the rules. BSA group A means or stocks. So there will be a criteria, probably trading volume and market capitalization or something like that.
okay.
And those are the stocks where you can pump crores of rupees. There's no way I can put 10 crores in some penny stock, right? So whereas I can buy any of these stocks more than 10 crores, 50 crores like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't know the exact rate, but it would be based on trading volume and the market capitalization, which is in the top percentile of all the listed companies. All right. So we don't have anything else, right? So
Are our positions hedged, Cora? Like,
I think they are. Just open the screen.
yeah.
Again, I don't want to do too much hedging. I'm only buying put spreads because we don't have money.
So these are our positions.
Okay, Nifty cracked actually. So it fill the gap and then it has fallen. So our spread will be in danger. That is fine. So I will see it on Monday. Sorry, evening or tomorrow. The 16,400 short.
Okay.
And we are fine with our bank Nifty short call spread. Let it go to some 20s or somewhere. We will remove that. The 36,500 and 37,500 split.
Do you want to keep any limit order?
Limit order on actually we can short. Okay, if it allows, we can short 16,700 call. That way we will reduce the damage.
It's at 56.
Yeah, sell at market. Check in the orders whether it has gone through.
Completed, Cora.
Check the margin.
9,000.
Yeah, we're a little tight on the margin, but we'll fix it in the evening, and we'll also get the funds tomorrow, right?
Yes, Cora.
All right, Priyanka. So I'm winding up. Have a nice day, both of you.
Yeah.
And
Guys, don't forget to
But,
Thank you, Kara. Same to you.